Ah. Oh, f***'s sake. Just had the bane of all trout streamer fishermen come and take the streamer. Jack pike in there just nailed it. Yeah, frustrating. Never know whether to put on a trace or not, but put on the trace you really cut down on the amount of trout you get, but you don't, then that can happen. Wah, wah, wah. Now, so it's just out for a bit of streamer fishing, and really went in hard with the big water, big fish theory. Yeah, just had the one jack pike take a fly on me. There, I was really pushed in tight against the bank, just kind of shuffling along that. So yeah, show you a few streamers here. If you're actually targeting perch as well, deliberately, little red woolly bugger like that is hard to beat. For trout, I love tinsels, small gold, small silver, small copper tinsels. And then this is great for trout perch, kind of like a sea bass fly style bait fish fly. Yeah, there you go. So gonna have to go somewhere else to show you how fish are caught on streamers. But I'll be back here again later on in the summer, and it's really a great spot. You can get big trout, big perch, small pike, and sometimes even a big pike when they move up into the fast water to hunt. So there you go. We'll continue and see what we find. Right, if I don't get a fish on a streamer out of here, I'm going to dry drop it before I lose my mind.
Two hours later.
Fish number 15. 15 strikes and not a single fish landed. 15. Hits. 20 hits on the streamer. Didn't land a single one. How about that? I'm changing dry dropper. Complete fail with the streamer fishing. Admittedly, a lot of them were small fish, but a couple of them were nice. And oh lordy, I didn't even lift my ass from where I was setting up the rig, and fish on with the dry dropper. Oh, lovely fish too. Oh man. I didn't want a streamer earlier anyway. Ah, there you go. Literally first or second cast with the The dry dropper didn't even move from where I was setting up the rig. And yep, there you go.